The vacuum block indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it in your chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. From the navigator section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and then click the OK button. In the navigator, drag the indicator file, enable Allow DLL Imports, then click OK. The indicator will search and draw vacuum blocks. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option from the Settings section. Then click the OK button. The indicator marks price gaps with an orange box. It highlights gaps between high and low prices on the chart. This indicator identifies the gap between the highest price and the lowest price and marks this gap with an orange box. The highest price of this candle was here, next candle opened here, creating a gap. The lowest price of this candle was here, highest price was here, indicating a gap marked by a box. Settings under Input section offer options. First part is Display settings, including custom theme with 3 modes, dark, light, auto. There is a gap, and it has been marked for us with an orange square, or in this part, the lowest price of this candle was in this part, at this price level, and at the highest price level of this candle was in this part, and there is a gap between these 2 candles. It is, and it has been defined for us by drawing a box. In the Settings section, in the Input section, there are options available for us. The first part relates to the display settings, including the custom theme or template for the indicator, which has 3 modes, dark theme, light theme, and auto theme. By selecting the dark theme option, a dark template is applied to the chart. When you choose the light theme option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template on my chart is set to auto, which only changes the color of the candles, with bullish candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. The next section is about the shift box settings. Candles to move and draw the box. It's set to 5 candles by default. I'll choose the dark template, set candles to 10, then click OK. The template turns dark, moves 10 candles from start, and draws the box. Here, I'm selecting the dark template. My template changes to a dark color, and we move forward 10 candles from our starting candle, drawing the box. ICT traders use this to find daily, monthly gaps. In this section, my template has changed to a dark color and we move forward 10 candles from our 0 candle, which is this section, and it draws the box for us. ICT style traders can easily use this indicator of daily, monthly, empty spaces. They can even look for weekly gaps or, on lower time frames, search for price gaps and the distance between opening and closing prices, using this indicator to easily identify empty spaces. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I'd be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.